Namaskar, good afternoon. You're watching our continuous coverage. I'm Swati Joshi. With me is Meghna. Meghna, numbers pretty much are the same, but on ground things are changing rapidly.
Well, absolutely. And what's very interesting is Sabka Saath now seems to have been something that is not just BJP slogan, but something that they are actually looking forward to. They are now seeking Sabka Saath. So what really has changed? Let's also tell you the big breaking news which is coming in, because on the other camp as well, you have a similar situation, Swati. Very interesting. No one would have expected this in the exit poll, but get our viewers the latest.
Absolutely. According to sources, Sharad Pawar is speaking to Nitish Kumar, and Sharad Pawar, remember, has taken a very, very active, aggressive role now. He's talking about uniting the entire opposition. Remember, Meghna, BJP in the last Lok Sabha election said that we don't need those numbers coming in from the allies, but we will take the allies along. Today, the situation and the tables have turned for the BJP. They're actually looking for those numbers coming from the allies. Sharad Pawar also trying to unite the allies.
Well, this is very interesting. Let me go across to Niyamika, who is joining us now. Niyamika, if you look at the numbers, the way Sharad Pawar has performed, managed to pull another one off. Everyone talks about the dedication, the sway he still has, but look at the numbers that he's managed to draw. He's truly become one of the vote catchers. But the fact that now he is also turning into the role of the uniter, someone who's trying to get others on board as well.
Well, if you remember from the very beginning, it was Sharad Pawar who has played a very crucial role. He has played a very key role in bringing all the allies together, and that's the reason why India bloc was being formed. And today as well, it is Sharad Pawar who is once again playing this important role, as it is being told to us by our sources that Sharad Pawar is holding discussions with the other leaders, as well as it might be expected that the India bloc will soon contact with the TDP as well as the JDU. And this role is being played by none other than Sharad Pawar himself, as he is in touch with the JDU as well as TDP, as it is being told to us by our sources. And it is also being expected that if both of these parties will come and be a part of the India bloc, then they might be given a key role in the upcoming days, as well as it can be expected that a special status can be promised to Andhra Pradesh. And it is also being told to us that a very important role is also going to be offered to Nitish Kumar as well, if he will be willing to be a part of the India bloc.
Absolutely.
4 जून 2024 ये तारीख भारत का भविष्य तय करने जा रही है।
4 जून नरेंद्र मोदी हिंदुस्तान के प्रधानमंत्री नहीं रहेंगे।